Solid ways to put your affiliate marketing plan to work. Affiliate marketing pays off in many ways. It is a partnership where businesses agree to host an ad on their website for another business. That other business reciprocate and has an ad for the business where their ad is. In essence, they are sending each other business and paying a commission for those who get to their website by way of the ad. This video can explain more about how it works. One thing to beware of with affiliate marketing programs is alienating your customers. Make sure that the products and services offered by your affiliates are ethical and offer good value for customers' money. Nothing will poison the opinion of a visitor to your website faster than directing him or her to a scam. Conversely, helping a visitor find a product he or she is interested in can make them appreciate your site. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to know your audience. You need to understand your readers' needs and what they may be looking for when they come to the site. Make sure that the ads you post are things that your audience would be interested in, or they will not click on them. Always start with something you know if you're new to affiliate marketing. It is always easier to build a good site if the subject matter is something you're interested in. Try to immediately branch out too much and you'll find the subject matter boring, and feeling too much like a dreaded task. As you can clearly see, affiliate marketing is beneficial to both parties. Both see an increase in traffic and both see the income from commission for sending customers to the other. By following the advice in the above video, you can open the door to new customers and also to new partnerships with another website that may have been competition in the past. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.